speaking?
Jenny, it's Ken.
Hello, Ken. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Jenny, can you come to my birthday party?
When is your birthday?
It's July the 10th.
Wait a moment, please. January, February, July. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Good. I can go. Yes, Ken. I can go to your party. See you July the 10th. Hello, Gogo.
Hello, Jenny.
What's this, Gogo?
It's my time machine.
A time machine?
Jump in.
Are we in the past?
Yes, we are.
Gosh! Are we in the future?
Yes, we are.
You can't park here.
Oh, sorry.
Date, September 1st. Time, 4:15.
Where do you want to go now?
I know. Let's go to a birthday party.
All right. Whose?
Let's go to Ken's. He has good parties.
When is his birthday?
It's on July the 10th. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Hello, Ken. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ken. When's your birthday, GB?
When's your birthday? When is it? When's your birthday? When is it? Is it in January?
No, it isn't.
Is it in February?
No, it isn't.
Is it in March?
Yes, it is. My birthday's on March the 10th.
When's your birthday? When is it? When's your birthday? When is it? Is it in April?
No, it isn't.
Is it in May?
No, it isn't.
Is it in June?
No, it isn't. My birthday's today.
Oh!
Happy birthday, Gogo!